I'm Rachel Haynes. I'm the Head of Recruitment for HomeServe. I work in the financial services, so HomeServe offer policies to their customers. We are FCA regulated, so it's the financial insurance sector. We have support vacancies and our volume vacancies. Support is your back office function, so that's marketing, IT, finance, HR, and then we have our volume, which is contact centres and field engineers. We used to do things manually, so a lot of spreadsheets, a lot of personal and sensitive data was passing through people's email inboxes, pieces of paper. That wasn't a great experience for candidates or for the recruitment team. We realised we needed a system. We went out to tender to quite a number of recruitment system providers, top providers that deal with McDonald's, the big brands that we know, and in that mix Eploy was in there. We felt that they fit HomeServe culture. They were so lovely, down to earth, pretty much told us what we'll get, how we'll go on this journey together. Whereas the other companies, they made it aware that we wouldn't be their priority because we didn't spend enough with them. With Eploy, just from the get-go, they did fit HomeServe culture and they still do. The customer success team are amazing. We email them, probably a few times a week if we looked at the stats. And they're always coming back very quickly, solving our issues. They'll jump on a call, they'll talk us through. Nothing's too much trouble. And then we have our account managers, so for us it's Amy and Hayley. They do a great job of keeping in touch, letting us know what's coming up. I think what's really helped us as a business, I think one would be the candidate experience. So our application used to take 4 to 6 minutes for a candidate to apply, so we had a huge amount of drop-off and therefore we was wasting money on job posts, etc. Whereas now it's under a minute. And then we had an integration with Experian. Everything just talks to those systems now. One pack used to take an hour in total. That's now into minutes. Within the team we have grown, so we've had 6 new starters over the last year and they've all come internally and worked in different departments and they've picked up the system pretty easily. So Glenn, who we originally had as our trainer, was brilliant, so we actually reserved some training days for future reference. With Eploy, the biggest thing is time saving. The amount of time we can now spend meeting customers face-to-face, building those relationships. Everyone wants more time. Our reputation in regards to the employee branding really helps attract candidates to the difficult to fill roles. It really helps our reputation as a recruitment department to the wider business. I usually say I'm like an Eploy stan. If I'm talking to anyone in recruitment or they're looking for a system, or I've been to conferences and heard the pain points that we've been through before with people using spreadsheets and not having systems, I just champion Eploy all the way.